Hello everyone, Shraddha here. I'm an author of 4 books, writer for more than 20 websites, a digital marketer, and currently pursuing my MBA from ISVR Bangalore. Guys, I am here for a reason. Actually, a few days back, I thought that being a digital marketer, like it's not good if I am only in LinkedIn or Quora, as I used to share my content, like some valuable content that would be beneficial for a lot of people. I used to share that those kind of contents only on LinkedIn and Quora, but then I thought of like using YouTube and sharing, making some videos to share some content. So it would be my first video based on some insightful information that would be beneficial for a lot of people, as we have moved into an era where there would be a lot of digital marketers and also those people who used to work online and work from home, and they are using different tactics to get engagement for their product or for their website or for their social media handlers. So I want to talk about Quora marketing. When we talk about marketing, things that used to storm our mind is content marketing and then email marketing. And in email marketing, like normally we use a Beaver or this Mailchimp. But have you ever wondered that you can also run your ads, or you can use Quora as a part of marketing platform, through which you can get a lot of like results, a lot of engagement for your website or your products. So when like Quora is somewhere something where we used to share questions, we used to share answers, and we used to ask questions. So if I am looking for answer of life is what is life, so I'll, if I'm going with Google answer, so there would be a lot of jargons that would be like something which I would not be able to understand. So or I have to pick up my dictionary to get the meaning of it. So what we used to do is we just used to go with Quora answer, because there would be some answers where people used to share their own experience regarding the definition of life, and it would be easily understandable for us, all of us. So Quora is such kind of platform which we used to prefer to get like questions, answers, and all these things. So have you ever wondered that you can also get a lot of engagement for your website or your work, and also you can make money? It's on Quora itself. Now you must be wondering how. So being a part of Quora partner program, I if I am asking any question on Quora, so Quora, if one question I am asking, so it will be very much helpful for them or for owners of Quora to increase their revenue. Now what they used to do is they used to share a small part of their revenue to all the like QPPs or Quora partners. Like if I am sharing a question, and if I am getting impressions, like not only internal impressions but also external impression, that is, I'm not only engagement from Quora, but I am also getting engagement from Google, LinkedIn, or Instagram and Facebook. I'm getting external audience also, and that external audience is like, it would be very much helpful for me to increase my revenue. So now you must be thinking that how can you like become a part of Quora partner program. So what you have to do is you just start writing on Quora daily, on daily basis. If you are writing two answers and writing two basic questions, starting from what are some of the photos that you like the most, or what is life, or what are you doing, or what made your day today, like questions like this. If you are like replying for such kind of questions on daily basis, at least two questions on daily basis, and then you can see that within 1 month, if you are getting number of views around 5,000 or 10,000, and your content is good, then they'll send you a invite on Quora partner program. What you have to do, you have to accept that invite, and then you can start asking questions on Quora, as I did. Like I think I joined Quora on 2014, back in 2014. Now you can just wonder. So but I didn't know that much about Quora, so I just accepted that invite, and that's fine. I didn't ask any question. And then I'm very much into Quora, so I used to use Quora on like 50 times on daily basis, if I say. if I talk about other apps, so I don't use any other social media app that much, but yes, I am very much interested into Quora. So after reading a lot of answers, what is QPP, how can you use QPP, and how it can be beneficial for your career, or how can you make money through QPP. So I went through all these answers, and these answers, and just like you can think that if I am reading answers from Quora, then it would be something based on personal experience. So people used to experience, they know the journey of being a QPP, and so they were sharing, like, yes, if this like on that day, particular date, I got Quora partner invite, and then I started asking questions on Quora, and now I'm earning that much through Quora. So I have seen that मतलब अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि अगर कोई ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, तो उस क्वेश्चन का आप विश्वास नहीं करोगे, आप $4,000 भी एक क्वेश्चन का अर्न कर सकते हो. दैट इज़ if you are asking one question and it is getting a lot of engagement, question is new, and like it is getting attraction from audience, so your question can earn a good number of amount. That is, now if I am asking, I am saying that there were some uh, I would like to say ask, like, share some tactics, that is, just go with recent news, whatever recent news is. So you can just make a question based on that recent news and just put on Quora, then you can start like getting engagement on Quora. And if it will get around 10k views or 5k views or even 2000 views, then you can get different kind of like engagement from social external accounts, that is Google or some other places. So what you have to do is just create your account on Quora, or if you have your account, so just start writing on it, and just take 2 months for being a part of Quora, and trust me, you will love the journey. It's hard, as I am also a part, I was a part of Quora at the very beginning, and it was very much struggling because there was no one who could like make me understand what is Quora and how I can use it beneficially. And being a part of Quora partner program, how can I like get some good like money or some great insights from it. So there was no one, but as being a part of that journey, I would like to share every bit of knowledge that I have with all of you. So this is my first video that is very basic, and where I'm suggesting you to create your account on Quora. And if you have your account, then just start asking your questions on Quora. And it is also good if you are sharing your question link to me, so that I can also help you increasing your engagement. And in my second video, I would share some statistics, that is, how much can you earn from a single question. I think 1 month ago I asked one question based on, I think, lockdown, yes, COVID-19. So it crossed around 700 rupees. Like, it was within 5 to 6 days, it crossed around 700 rupees, and then 1500 rupees. And I think now it is creating a good impact on Quora, and it is there on a top list of questions. So you can also do the same, and I will be there for you to help in every part of your journey for being a part of Quora. And yes, if you want to you have any kind of question, just comment there, I will help you. And you can also get some external support from myself. And yes, you can just start your journey with Quora, and I'll share how can you use Quora marketing for your marketing works, or like for your company or for your brands that for which you are working. So just, yes, just start working for it, and I will be like there with another video very soon, within 1 or 2 days, maybe, where I will be sharing my statistics of Quora. And I'll also share some tactics that I used to do, like what kind of questions you can ask. And if you are a part of Quora partner, just check your account first. Just go to Quora and see right side, if there is partners, then yes, you are a part of Quora Quora partner program, and you can start asking questions from that day only. like just go for any recent news, and if there is any daily updates or any kind of news in your city itself, so you can just create a question of and make sure that your question is gonna start with how, why, where, and all these w. So it will create good impact on Quora. So yes, just do it, and I will be there very soon with like different kind of knowledge based on, like I've decided that first 4 to 5 video I will sharing about Quora marketing only, then I'll jump into digital marketing, then I'll discuss something about writings, like how can you start writing, how can you make your career in writing, how can you start writing books, and where you can publish your books without like putting a single rupees for that like platform. So yes, that's it. So thank you very much. It would be great if you can share or subscribe my channel, so that I can like start working good, and it would be a kind of motivation for me to share more and more content. And yes, if I'm getting good attention, or if I'm getting good like comments or reviews from your side, so this would also a kind of motivation for me, so that I can create new videos within a week. I'll try to make 2 to 3 videos, and we'll put on YouTube itself. So yeah, let's start our Quora journey with each other. And yes, if you want any kind of help, just share your question, and I'll share whatever content I would like. Yes, and if you want, you are a part of Quora Partner Program, I can share some questions from my side, so that you can get engagement, like how much engagement you can get in that kind of questions, so that you can get a rough idea to create your questions by yourself only. So yeah, thank you so much. I will be meeting soon with my next video, that would again on Quora marketing, but I'll come up with like some statistics that will show that like what kind of question have earned how much amount, such kind of things, and which is the top most question, like what is the बोलते हैं ना कि कितना ज़्यादा किस क्वेश्चन कोरा से हम कितना ज़्यादा अर्न कर सकते हैं किसी क्वेश्चन से. सो आई विल बी कमिंग अप विद ऑल दिस kind of information. So thank you very much, and it would be great if you can subscribe, like, and comment for my video and for my channel. So I'll come soon. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you.